Hey girl. I just feel played. Completely played, fooled. There is literally a slime stain on my bed. Of course, only I would get slime on my bed. Hi, welcome to my room. The film room is like the film room for like crafting and just like slime and stuff, but like I want to be in a different setting for this. We're gonna try on some Halloween costumes. Happy Halloween. Also, election day is coming up. You guys, please vote. I'm not afraid to say I'm voting Biden. Maybe some people are gonna be upset about it, but like also, I don't care. Like, I feel like in these times, like, we should be political, period, you know? But make sure you guys are registered to vote and make sure you guys are voting because election day is almost here. Your vote counts, period. Okay, I got some costumes. Last year, I did a video with Myra where we literally tried on all these different costumes. I got some costumes for her and she got some costumes for me, which was a hot mess because I got my sister like mostly like funny costumes. She got me like some pretty sexy costumes and I was so uncomfortable, but it was like so funny. I wanted to do that again in this video. So this is kind of like a, you know, try on Halloween costumes type of thing. Let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see what I got. Okay, let's start with Shein. Honestly, most of them were like lingerie, but I did find like some Halloween-ish stuff. I think this is a spot. Girl. I would wear this to like if I was going to like a school and I was gonna go like do like a little activity with kids, then I'd be like a witch. The belt, okay, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be this long. You know, I mean, I don't hate it. I think it's kind of cute. However, I wouldn't typically like go for the witch costume. She's a little modest vibe. I think I could see myself wearing this. I don't hate it at all. I really thought it would be like a 3 out of 10. But now that I'm like in it, I'm like, I think it's kind of cute. It's like a cute, innocent, like witch costume, you know what I mean? The next ones I got are from Pretty Little Thing. I did find a Ghostbusters one. I feel like this is the only one that I saw that was like a straight up costume, like head to toe. So I got this one. Oof, yeah, it's gonna be a little tight. Okay, this belt girl. She's barely got, oop. Girl, this little wonky hat I have. Okay. Who are you gonna call? I'm just kidding. This is a bitch that's showing up. Girl, oh, wait, this is like washing out the color big time, huh? You guys, the belt. Oh my God, it did it, but it looks tight, huh? Like, let's be real. She's a little tight, girl. Well, it's not like uncomfortable tight, but like, I know that after a few minutes, I'd be like, girl, my is out, period. Come on, girl. Sweetie, I don't know about this right here. I feel like it makes it look more wrinkly because it's like tight, the belt. I'm not even gonna show you the back. Literally, my butt is like literally out right now. Yeah, this is small for me. This belt, girl, she's about 3 to 4 inches too small. Also, this hat, I don't know how it looks on to you guys, but it looks pretty like wonky. You know what? The costume's not bad, but I'm just gonna rate it. I'm rating this for like what I think of like when I look at myself. I'm rating me. Girl, I'm giving this a 4. The hat. It has a backpack. What am I supposed to hold in here again? But like, it's usually the stuff that kills the ghosts.
Oh yeah, that's like your gun. Like.
It's not a good fit for me. You know what? The longer I stand in this costume, the more the belt is starting to stretch. The more I'm in this costume, the more I'm starting to like it kind of. And I'm like, I think this is actually cute. I feel like it's more like a 6. Oh my goodness. So I saw this costume on Fashion Nova. It was actually sold out on Fashion Nova, y'all. Why am I wearing this hat? And it happened to be that I found it at Walmart. However, it was much more expensive at Walmart, I will say that. And the costume looks nearly identical to the Fashion Nova one. So I was like, oh my gosh, like this is the one that I'm gonna like, oh, I'm scared of this one. I mean, the models look amazing in this costume. But girl, I don't know what I'm gonna look like in this. Let's try it on. Shoot, this is not gonna fit. Oh my gosh, this is a cute top. Dude, am I putting this on backwards or? Oh my God, no. Bro, this is really uncomfortable. This is way too out of my comfort zone. Why did I think this was okay? Oh my God, I f***ing ripped it. Oh no, no, no. No. Oh. Oh.
Oh, the sauce.
Oh my gosh, the sauce. The wig. Oh my god, hold on. I'm really uncomfortable right now, guys, because I'm not used to wearing like stuff like this. It didn't even come with the fishnets, but like this is the only way that I could come on camera. Oh my god, it's like so tight on my legs, you guys, and my legs are like bulging. Okay, first of all, and like you could see through this, I'm wearing underwear, obviously. I'm wearing the fishnets, so I just look like you guys, girl. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna get bullied. This is the bangs.
Yeah.
Wait, there's bangs all around.
Wait, yeah, doesn't Chucky have more like orangey looking hair?
Do you think Chucky wears this? We're worried about the wig right now. I just feel played. Completely played, fooled. You guys, this is so not it. Oh no.
Oh.
The costume is cute like on its own. Like on other people. I'm rating this look like a literal joke. Like it's a joke. I look like Karen with like red hair. My hair is popping out the sides, first of all. This is like, oh my gosh, this is horrible. Girl, like I look like a freaking burrito right now. I want to feel confident in this, but like there's just no way. There's no way.
Just get the right wig.
It's the whole thing for me, honey. This is just a lot right now. I feel like a giant. You know what I feel like right now? Like Chucky ate everybody. I'm like roasting myself before everybody else just in the comments. It's okay. It came with a knife. Okay, you see, now that makes it all better.
Right there. Boom. Chucky.
Hey, girl.
I knew something was missing.
Like, I wish I could stand here and be like, yeah, like, love it. Like, it'd be super confident, but yeah, like, this is not making me feel confident at all. It just looks worse when I'm sitting down, but, like, I don't know what to do. Are you? What's going on? I'm uncomfortable. I wouldn't wear it. Oh my god, my knife is stuck in my freaking leggings. This is like a 2 on me. A 1, 0. I would not. I just know. Last but not least. I say not least because truly, like, what could beat the other one in least? This one is also from Fashion Nova. This is kind of like the other one in the sense that it's like the, you know, the cut right here. But I feel way more comfortable in this because it has like the legs. It's also a long sleeve and it's not see-through. I'll wear it. It's not as revealing. Nowhere near the Chucky one, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it is a little snug on the legs. But I like it. I like this one. I feel comfy enough and like, I don't know, I like it. I like this one because I think it's cute and also like I still feel comfortable and confident in it. I don't know, like I feel pretty comfy in this one. I like it. Shows a little leg. A little booty. I would give this one a 9. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That was fun trying on costumes. I'm glad that, you know, I'm glad I got at least one Halloween video out there. This was a lot of fun. Last year was a lot of fun too when I tried costumes with Myra. Something about costumes, even if they're really uncomfortable sometimes, I'm like, you know what? It's fun. What was your favorite one, Squishy?
My favorite one, I feel like the Ghostbusters one.
I know that this year is gonna be really different for Halloween, y'all, and I know that there's people that are still gonna wanna go out. I would not, absolutely not risk trick-or-treating whatsoever to get some candy, girl. Like, absolutely not, especially during a pandemic. Can you imagine all the contaminated candy, girl? Rona the house. Nonetheless, I hope you guys have a fantastic fall. Halloween. The holidays are coming up, which are really exciting. Honestly, no matter how I personally felt in each costume, like I think all these costumes are really nice and they would look good on anybody. Whenever you actually like get out of your comfort zone, it feels good after, like no matter like how uncomfortable it is. So I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Bye.
You're a Ghostbuster.
No, I'm a skeleton buster because I'm a skeleton. I wish I was a ghost so I could wear the hat and then like I'm busting myself. Wait. Girl, cut the cameras.